Hello, my name is Simone. I am from Happy Hubble. We have 3 children with autism. I want to show you our awesome calm down kit for boys. These calm down kits are fantastic. The idea is that it's a nice small bag that you can put a couple of fidgets in and head off to anywhere. Our children have their calm down kits in their bags at all times. We have one in the car, lives in the car. So we have a meltdown when we're out and about, no problem. We pull out our calm down kits and nice and calm generally. So this was the awesome kit for boys. This is fantastic. It's the only calm down kit that comes with a silent timer, which is the best thing we ever got for our kids. You know, how much longer until we get there, how long we're going to be here for, whatever. It's fantastic. It's nice and silent. You can set it for however long you want, and it's a nice little beep, no problem. We've got our sensory balloons. They're nice and soft. We've got our little cars, our little quad bike and our little car. We've got our water orbs ball, which looks really cool, very satisfying. For those that love to fidget, we have our little puzzle stick, our dinosaur balloon ball. It's really great for oral motor strengthening, and also just, it looks really cool. We've had kids with a meltdown and give them that, and the meltdown is finished. It's amazing. Very simple. Little eyes. And our famous mouse and cheese set. They're nice and squashy. The whole thing is squashy. They can pull the mice out. They can push them back in. The whole thing feels fantastic. So we've got beautiful little selection. You can grab a couple of things, pop them into your baggie, zip it up, put it in your school bag or your everyday bag, and head off. And the idea is that with this kit, you've got other items that you can chop and change with. You know, put a couple of balloons in and that one there, and take the timer out. And the idea is that you can mix it up. So this is really fantastic. So thank you very much. You're welcome to visit my online store at happyhubble.com.au to see this product and many others. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.